Hey guys, welcome to MADHU'S culinary classes. Today's recipe is yummy and super tasty Bourbon ice cream. Let's get started. Things required are 200 ml of fresh cream, 1 cup of sugar, 150 gram of Bourbon biscuit. Now take a grinder, add the Bourbon biscuits. I'm keeping aside some for the garnishing purpose. Now grind it into a coarse powder. Take a bowl, add 150 ml of fresh cream, one cup of sugar, whisk it nicely. Whisk it until it turns creamy. At this stage, we are adding the grinded biscuit and mixing it well. Pour it into the container and garnish it with the biscuits and freeze it for about 6 hours. Now our yummy and super tasty Bourbon ice cream is ready to serve. Enjoy it with your loved ones with this ice cream. For more such videos, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.